Hi students, welcome to our channel Max Plus U. I am Subramanian, your math tutor. Today we are just continuing what we have done last class. 12th Mathematics previous year CBSE board exams we are doing. Chapter 10 Vector Algebra. Already in the first video, question number 1 to 10 we have completed. So kindly any doubts is there na inform children in the question number 1 to 10. Now 11th question we are doing. So the 11th one, what we going to discuss? The unit vector PQ. So yeah, this model is already there in the book thing. So we can do somewhat fastly itself, where the coordinates of P and Q is given. So unit vector PQ. Okay. So this model is there like a unit vector like PQ or PR. That way only it is there. Yes, if I am correct, exercise 10.2, that question number 7, 8, 9 in that, I think 8th question or 9th question, that way. Okay. So what sir we have to do? First we can do in two way. So, we can take that P vector as OP vector and the next point as OQ vector. We can convert the point as vectors like 2i cap plus j cap minus k cap. Same way 4i cap plus 4j cap minus 7k cap. And find the unit vector PQ. That means when you're finding the vector PQ, we can write it as C vector for our better understanding. So, Q minus P. So, you're going to subtract OQ minus OP. So, when you're subtracting it, even we can write instead of P and OP, OQ, you may write small p, small q also, no issues. When we are subtracting, be careful. Terminal minus initial. That means OQ minus OP. So OQ we have written as it is 4i plus 4j minus 7k. When you are writing OP, the minus is multiplied with each minus 2i cap minus j cap. Minus into minus what? Plus k cap. Then 4i and minus 2j is plus 2i and 4j minus j is plus 3j minus 7k plus k is minus 6k. Over answer, no, they asked unit vector of it. So magnitude of C vector we found and we got that answer. What is the magnitude of C children? Separately, I found for our understanding root over I cap coefficient square 2 square plus 3 square minus plus minus 6 square. So we got it as root 49, that is nothing but 7. We all know the C cap formula. C cap equals to C vector by magnitude of C vector. So we written C vector coefficient 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap by root 49 is nothing but 7. So it's in MCQs only they have asked. So we can split like anything. 2 by 7 I cap plus 3 by 7 j cap minus 6 by 7 k cap. Option D. We may do the same sum in another way. Just instead of doing OQ minus OP, we may write x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap plus z2 minus z1 k cap. When we considering the first point x1 y1 z1, second point x2 y2 z2, kindly subtract children. 4 minus 2. Then plus 4 minus 2 I cap plus 4 minus 1 j cap plus minus 7 minus of minus 1. How we got here plus? Minus 7 minus of minus 1. So it is plus 1. Then 4 minus 2 we know children 2i cap. 4 minus 1 we know 3j cap. Minus 7 plus 1 we know minus 6k cap. And we are finding the magnitude that we have already done even in the before method. We got root 49, that is nothing but 7. Then we can find as usual C cap equal to C vector by magnitude of C vector, and we will get the same answer. So now are we going for the next question? In the next question, we are going to discuss about midpoint. Midpoint of the AB. Midpoint itself they have given children. Midpoint value is given. Am I correct? Midpoint of line segment AB is given. If position vector of A is given. Position vector of B, we want to find. So we know midpoint formula R vector equal to A vector plus B vector by 2. So literally x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2 in coordinate geometry we used right now the same way. So what we are going to do in this now, we are considering the R vector, the midpoint itself 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap. Then the first one, point A given, A vector is 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 4k cap. And B vector we wanted to find. Can we apply in the formula children? R vector equals to A vector plus B vector divided by 2. So when we are writing R vector place 3i plus 2j minus 3k, the division 2 goes outside now. multiplication. Do distributive, children. 2 3s are 6. 2 into 2, 4, 4j. Then 2 into minus 3, minus 6k. Then the plus b, let it be as it is. Transposition pa. Plus 2i comes here now, minus 2i. Plus 3j comes this side now, minus 3j. Minus 4k comes this side now, plus 4k. Simply, b vector alone, they're keeping right hand side, children, balance, and all they're keeping left hand side. Simplification, nothing. You can do in your own simplification. Then 6 chocolate minus 2 chocolate, 4 chocolate. So 6i minus 2i is 4i. Then 4j minus 3j is plus j. Minus 6k plus 4k is minus 2k. Again simplification. So this and all slowly I am saying, but you can do as much as faster how you are good in it. And option B is answer. You can cross check. I hope you all have the PDF with you. So any error in the PDF also I will tell you. Projection of vector 2i cap plus 3j cap on the vector 3i cap minus 2j cap is what? So we know projection formula. Projection of a vector and b vector is a vector dot b vector by magnitude of b vector. I consider the first one is a vector, second one is b vector. I found here magnitude of b, but actually first find a dot b. Here a dot b itself we got 0. Since a vector dot b vector equal to 0, there is no need to find actually magnitude of b. Anyway, I have found it. 0 divided by anything is 0. Since it's MCQ, it's not all necessary finding the magnitude of b vector. Okay, va? So since you got 0, 0 by divided by anything 0, so the sum is over. So projection formula a vector dot b vector by magnitude of b vector. Whenever a vector dot b vector is 0, then your work is as much as over. Then going to 14th question, children. Actually, it is again easier. BA they have given, BC they given, AC they are asking. Since in the triangle ABC, so that way they are talking about BA in the question, but ABC la the arrow diagram like this: A to B, B to C, AB plus BC only AC. In the triangle law vector. Am I correct, children? In triangle ABC, AB vector plus BC vector equal to AC vector. But AB is not given. So they given only BA. So change the sign. So AB will be minus 2A. That's it. So AB plus BC, you will get minus 2A plus 3B. In the option, they have given like first 3B, then minus 2A. You know, A plus B equal to B plus A. So that way, 3B vector minus 2A vector is the answer. But don't write just 2A plus 3B. That also will be in the option. AB plus BC is different. BA plus BC is different. Kindly read it. Then 14th question is easier. Then going for 15th one. A vector cross B vector given pa. A vector dot B vector also given pa. Angle between A and B is they asking. May have other formulas. I am using this. By using dot product also, cross product also. I know the cross product value, I have dot product value, but we want to find angle between A and B. That means theta is question mark. Yes or no, children? So that way, we are using this formula A vector dot B vector whole square. You know, WKT means we know that. Whether we know or we don't know, that doesn't matter. We have used to write that wording. And A vector dot B vector whole square plus A vector cross B vector the whole square equals to magnitude of A vector square into magnitude of B vector square. This is the formula you should remember. So A dot B value they said minus 3, so that's square. A cross B they have given more magnitude of A cross B is root 3, that they have given right root 3 square. Minus 3 square is 9. Root 3 square is 3. We got 12. And you have a square root. If you're doing the square, you have here also square, here also square. If you're taking square roots, you will get root 12 equals magnitude of A, magnitude of B. Root 12, you know, we can split like a what? Perfect square. So 4 3s are 12. You know, root 4 is 2. So I think we will get the magnitude of AB is 2 root 3. Some over, sir. Like that you ask, na? No. Why, sir, not over? They ask theta. Then use this formula cos theta equals A vector dot B vector by magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector. So A dot B minus 3, the itself given, and magnitude of A, magnitude of B 2 root 3, we got this by using the formula. We all know, children, A we can write into root a into root a. Okay, this is why you are saying now. I am saying because 3 I can write root 3 into root 3. Okay, sir, any satisfaction is there for cancelling? Yes. This root 3 cancel and get satisfaction. Then go for cos theta equals minus root 3 by 2. After getting cos theta equals minus root 3 by 2, the root 3 by 2 is nothing. When and cos it will come, now cos 30 degree it will come. We know we have used to write in the radian. Even options, it's MCQ option also in the radian. So cos and cos gets removed and we can't say, sir, here on cos, here on cos, remove and write, sir, like that. I hope you won't say, because we have studied in the trigonometry and inverse trigonometry. So the minus will come inside. Sir, cos of what? Minus theta is minus cos theta was, sir? No, that is plus cos theta, because cos and secant are even function. So we are writing cos 180 minus theta. That is nothing but minus cos theta. This we have used even in the inverse chapter 2. So cos of pi minus pi by 6, that is nothing but 5 pi by 6. Now cos is positive. Same cancelling there itself. Actually, we won't cancel properly. We will just remove it. We won't write it as cos and cos gets cancelled. So we just remove it and we will get theta equals to 5 pi by 6. So same removal here you can do, no sir? No. Here cos and here positive and here negative is there. So you have to make the what angle being in a positive. Then only you can do it. I hope you somewhat understood. This is the one way I have used. If you feel any other way is there also, kindly let me know. I will check and I will tell you. It's even it's MCQ. So any other way which is shorter also we can use it. No issues. For me, when I'm seeing this question, this way for me it's getting. So I'm doing. So there is no restriction. You may do that in other way also if that is applicable for all the time. So now go for the angle between A dot B is pi by 3 and a magnitude of A cross B is 3 root 3. What is the value of A vector dot B vector? Children, since it's a pi by 3 angle between, so that is theta equal to pi by 3. Magnitude of A cross B 3 root 3. A dot B is what they asked. So I think I can find the magnitude of A, magnitude of B by using this formula. What formula? Na? Definition of cross product. A vector cross B vector. We know magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector, sin theta n cap will come. Since magnitude of A cross B is there, so n cap is missing here. Then apply magnitude of A cross B as 3 root 3. Then magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector, sin theta value is pi by 3. So we know what is sin 60 degree value. That is nothing but root 3 by 2. Substitute. I think you can cancel the root 3 and the division 2 goes at sign of multiplication. So 3 2s are 6. So magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector, you got it as 6. Then you can apply the cos theta formula A vector dot B vector by magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector. Again definition, that instead of writing this is the angle. The definition is this only. A vector dot B vector equals to what definition? Dot product definition. A vector dot B vector equals to magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector, cos theta. What's sir? Magnitude of A, magnitude of B? They didn't give, sir. We found no 6 that you apply. Theta they given cos 60 degree. That is nothing but 1 by 2. So 2 and 6 you can cancel and getting the answer 3. What sir? Our level all easier is there like that, na? Yes, our level for our level all easy only. Children in 10th standard itself coordinate geometry we have done this. A, B, C given. D we want to find now. We used to do midpoint of AC equals to midpoint of BD the same way. So we know midpoint formula R vector equals to A vector plus B vector by 2. Sir, somewhere else we use this formula, no sir? Na? Yes, last video also we used for midpoint. Okay, go for it. A 4i plus 2j minus 6k. Then C, AC 12i plus 4j plus 5k divided by 2. Then BD, B is 5i minus 3j plus k. D we don't know. I am writing xi plus yj plus zk by 2. I think 2 can cancel, children. Then we can add 4i and 12i add 6i. And 2j and 4j we add 6j. Minus 6k and plus 5k add minus k. Same way 5 x we can add 5 plus x. Plus minus 3 and plus y we can add. Plus 1 plus z we can add. Equate the I cap. Here I cap is 5 plus x, I cap coefficient. Here I cap coefficient is 16. Plus 5 goes outside now, children. Minus 5, so 16 minus 5 is 11. Same way here, minus 3 plus 5 equal to 6. Minus 3 goes outside now, plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. And 1 plus that you can equate with minus 1. So plus 1 goes outside now, minus 1. Minus 1 is minus 2. Simple, we are equating like the matrix how we will equate like that, we are equating. Then we got the answer as 11I cap plus 9j cap minus 2k cap. So it is option C. Actually, in the PDF, they have given option D, but option D is not correct. Even I have checked with the proper board exam marking scheme also. There also option C only is there. When we found, when we are doing it also, we are getting option C only. Then 18th question, they are asking to prove isosceles triangle, one of the easiest question. We have to, this they have asked in 2 marks. Nice, na? So, how to prove? We have to consider each vectors as A vector, B vector, C vector, and show that the triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. So, find AB vector, B vector minus A vector, and get one answer. And I am finding magnitude of A vector. Magnitude of AB as root 5. Then BC you find, and you are getting C minus B. C is 2k, B is J, so 2k cap minus J cap. CA, so usually ABC, now you have to write A, B, B, C, A, that's CA. So that way CA, A vector minus C vector, 2I cap minus 2k cap. Each magnitude, children, here also we got magnitude root 5. Here when you're doing magnitude, you got root 8. Magnitude of AB, magnitude of BC is equal, but magnitude of CA is not equal. Therefore, the triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. So kindly prove, this is 2 mark, easy. Even they can ask equal triangle, right angle triangle, that type of also. Going for 19th question, MCQ. So binary is 1 mark or 0 mark, no step marks for MCQ. Vector makes an angle of pi by 4 with positive direction of both x-axis, y-axis. Then the angle between it makes a positive z-axis. So one is alpha pi by 4, then beta pi by 4, then gamma is 1. So we can use that angle by cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equals 1. One is pi by 4, another one is also pi by 4. So cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 square. Again cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 square plus cos square gamma equals to 1. So we all know, children, 1 by root 2 square is 1 by 2, again 1 by root 2 square 1 by 2. Half plus half 1. Plus 1 goes inside minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So when 0 will come in cos, cos 90 is 0. Sin 0, cos 90 same. So cos square gamma equals to 0. Cos gamma also. Here if you don't want to keep square, cos square gamma 0. Cos gamma also 0. Am I correct, children? So when you're writing cos gamma equals to 0, then 0 we can change into cos 90. Then that is pi by 2. Cos we removed, gamma is pi by 2. Pi by 2 is nothing but 90 degree, but they have asked only pi by 2. Going for the next question, 20th, very easy. A vector and B vector are two non-zero vectors such that the projection of A vector on B vector is 0. Angle between theta they are asking. Projection itself 0. When projection 0, then it is 90 degree. That is what. But anyway, we can apply the formula. Projection of A and B is A dot B by magnitude of B. Since projection itself 0, they said division magnitude of B goes at China multiplication. 0 into anything 0. When you got A dot B 0, you know the two vectors are perpendicular. When the two vectors are perpendicular, the angle between them is pi by 2. So option A is correct. Kindly go through, children. If you feel this video is useful, kindly forward to your 12th max friends. It will be very much useful for them. Thank you.